Hey, this is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com, and this is just a short video about trend lines. Trend lines are support and resistance, and they are diagonal support and resistance lines. You have your horizontal support and resistance. On the side here, you have S1, support 1. This is the midpoint, the pivot point for the day, and you have resistance 1, resistance 2, and so forth. Well, you have also uh, diagonal support and resistance lines, which are trend lines. So sometimes you're looking at a chart here and you don't know, well, should I buy, should I sell? It's green, red, green, red, red, green, red, red. It can be confusing. What are you looking for here? What kind of a setup are you looking for? Well, you need to look at the big picture. And what we see here on the daily chart, we have a downtrend. Okay, so this is going down, down, down. And what would help us a lot to know where to make an entry would be to put a trend line by using our trend line tool right here. Put that at the top of the trend, and it must cross 2 points. It must touch 2 candles. So we'll put that right there. Okay. So it's touched that one there, and it's touched this one here. And you can see it just keeps coming down, following that trend. It tries to go up and touch the trend line, but it doesn't, and just keeps going down, following that. And then the idea is when it breaks above the trend line, we can buy. So you would be buying right here on this candle here. Okay? And then you ride that up there. Of course, you put your stop loss maybe right under here. And then you can move your stop loss up as the price moves up. You follow it with your stop loss. And of course, then you get stopped out and the trend starts to continue down. Now, if you want to look at, this is a day one chart. Let's look on the 4-hour chart. And we see we have a downtrend here. So let's look at the a little bit closer time frame. So we have the 4-hour chart here. Let's put a trend line here. Now it's in a downtrend. So we want to be looking for a buy opportunity. And this has to be touching 2 points. So we'll use that one there and that one there. Okay? Or if you even want, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can put that one on that one right there. And then we will take that and put that on that one right there. So that's our closer time frame trend line. Now what are we looking for here? We're looking for, this is a downtrend. We don't want to be buying. You see a green candle here, you don't buy. This is a downtrend. It's selling. Everybody's selling, selling, selling. Sure, it will retrace for a while, but you'll get trapped. That's called a bull trap. All right, you don't want to buy here. Just let it continue on down. You are looking for a buy opportunity, but you need to wait till it breaks above the trend line. So let's go back to the 1-hour chart. So we just watch it every day, and we see once it starts to move up and it breaks above this trend line, and then it starts to get momentum and move up, that's when we will want to buy. You would be looking here and you say, oh, green candle, so I buy. No, this is a downtrend. Everybody is selling. So you don't want to buy just because you see a green candle. Use your trend line as support and resistance. And this will guide you to give you a good entry point. This is your trade setup. This is planning the trade. You put your trend line in place, and then you just come back and you just wait. Maybe you come back tomorrow, the next day, eventually, because if you look on the day chart and we zoom in a little bit, you'll see that this New Zealand US dollar, it has not been this low in months, in a long, long time. This is reaching a real bottom. So this is bound to turn around and start to head back up. But we don't want to buy right now. We want to wait until we see that it breaks our trend line here. Okay? Zoom out a little bit there, go back to the 1-hour. So we're just checking this every day. And then once the low has been established, the bottom has been reached, and it won't go any further, then this currency pair will start to move back up to the range that it has been trading in. And when it breaks above that trend line, then you can make your buy. But you have to plan the trades like this and then wait for the setup. Okay? Plan the trade, trade the plan. I use trend lines on every single trade that I make. It will help you to be sure about your entry point. Okay? Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.